welcome back to my channel and thanks for joining me for another CVS video this week. I really want to appreciate everyone here and thank you all for all your support. For my first transaction, I'll use a 10 off 70 next purchase CRT, and the first deal I'll pick up will be the spend 20 get $8 extra care box back on Gillette and Venus razor. I'll pick up the Venus Comfort Glide razor on sale for $9.99, and I also pick up the Gillette Fusion 5 on sale for $9.99. Both razors are going to total $19.98. We have a $3 coupon for the Venus, and we also have a $3 coupon for the Gillette. After the coupon apply, it's going to drop it down to $13.98. If I'm doing this by itself, I'll pay the $13.98 and get $8 extra care box back, and that will make these two razors just $5.98 or $2.99 each. The next deal I have here will be on Revlon Cosmetics. They're on the deal of spend 18 get $6 extra care box back, and it's a limit of 1. I'll pick up 2 of the eyeliners priced at $10.49 each. Both items are going to total $20.98. On Sunday, we received a mystery offer that is $4 CRT. After the $4 CRT apply, it will drop it down to $16.98. But according to the ad, we're supposed to have a $3 digital coupon. I don't have it, but if you have yours, adjust your math. After the CRT apply, I will pay the $16.98 and get $6 extra care box back. And check your Ibotta because there is a $4 back on each item. That will be a total of $8. After the rebate, these two items will end up costing just $2.98 or $1.49 each. But if you have the $3 digital coupon according to the ad, these two products will end up being free. The next deal I'm adding to this transaction will be the spend 20 get $10 extra care box back, and Eucerin is included in this deal. I'll pick up one of the 5-ounce intensive repair lotion priced at $6.99, and I'll also pick up 2 of the Nivea Men body wash priced at $6.79 each. These 3 items are going to total $20.57, and for the Eucerin lotion, I don't have the $3 coupon that came in 128 savings set, so if you have it, add it to this deal. But I have a $2 coupon, and I also have a $2 CRT I received in my email that will end up taking off $4. And for the Nivea body wash, I have this 3 off 2 coupon we got from the 128 savings set, and we have another $2 body wash coupon in our app that will double dip and take off 5. After these 2 coupons and the CRT apply, it's going to drop it down to $11.57. I'll pay that and get $10 extra care box back, making all 3 of them just $1.57 or 52 cents each. I planned on doing the spend 30 get $10 extra care box back, but I changed my mind and decided to pick up this Downy Unstoppable on sale for $7.74. And we have a $3 digital coupon that is attaching to it. That will drop it down to $4.74. And I also have a $2 back on Ibotta that will end up making it just $2.74. This is everything I'll pick up using the 10 off 70 next purchase CRT. If you want to copy this deal that I have and you don't have the Downy on sale, you can replace it with the Colgate toothpaste, the one that is on sale for $3.99. And remember, we have a 7 off 2 that will end up making those 2 products just 98 cents or 49 cents each. This transaction worked out great. All my coupons applied. The Nivea double dipped. I ended up using $33 extra care box, paid $4.27 out of pocket plus tax, and I got back the $10 for spend 20. And I got back $8 for spending 20 for the Gillette, and a $6 extra care box back for spending 18 on Revlon Cosmetics. I submitted my receipt to Ibotta, and I got back $8. That's $4 for each Revlon product. And I also received $2 back for the Downy Unstoppable. And after the Ibotta rebate, this transaction ended up costing me just $3.27 or 41 cents each. The last item I picked up is not giving back any extra care box, but we have a great Ibotta rebate for it. and that's on the Pediacare. It's priced at $8.99. Go to pediacare.com and print out this $2 coupon that will drop it down to $6.99. If you have a percentage of CRT, this would be a good deal to use if you don't mind paying out of pocket. But I used a $5 extra care box, paid $1.99 out of pocket, and I submitted my receipt to Ibotta, and I got back $6, making it just 99 cents. And this concludes my video for today. Thank you all for watching, and thank you all for all your support, and I'll talk to you next time. Stay safe and